Hi guys, and welcome back after the Easter holidays. Hope you had a lovely time with your family. I suppose the good thing about it was we had no work, but hope you're rejuvenated and ready to go for the term ahead. And I know it might seem that Miss Campbell and I are piling on the work, but that's, guys, to ensure that you are like ready for next year with the maths curriculum. So it's very important that you do your maths every day, that you watch whatever I'm uploading onto this YouTube effort. It is for your purpose, guys. It is the only way that I have that I can in some way teach the that Miss Campbell and I can teach the maths various maths topics correctly. And so please, would you ever look at what is provided through the links in your homework portal and try your best with them. So guys, we're going to start today with topic 25, number sentences, page 157, and this is actually a lovely chapter really to get started back until we're reunited in the classroom. So if we look at the first activity, it's all about writing true and false sentences about yourself, and that would have been great fun in the classroom, but obviously we're not there, and we really, you don't have to do this with your parents. There's no need, because if they were to answer any of these incorrectly, you'd have to be really sitting down and asking some very hard questions as a result. So we're going to just go straight to the blue box, because we know the blue box is all about has all the important information. And here it says number sentence is a mathematical sentence written in numbers and mathematical symbols such as less than, equals, greater than, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So look at C. Look at each of these number sentences and you have to establish, are they true or are they false? So 1A. God, it's shaky mirror. Sorry guys, I know I'm shaking all over the place, but I still hope you can see what's in front. 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72. Is 72 equal to 82? No, it's not, therefore it's false. 54 divided by 9, which is 6. Is 6 greater than 6? No, false again. 12 plus 4 is 16. Is that equal to 4 threes are 12? Again, false. So we have established that when A, B and C are all false number sentences. Now if we go to 2C, 3C, 4A, B, C and 5A, B, C, if you could do those for Miss Campbell and I for tomorrow, that'd be great. Again guys, the more you practice, the better you become at doing the various sums within the various topics that we cover. Maths is all about practice as well. So and the good thing about it is you don't have to learn reams of facts off by heart. It's all about doing. So if you look at D, fill in the correct mathematical sign, less than, equals, or greater than, to make each of these number sentences true. So 10 plus 17 plus 2, we know that that's 29, and 29 is greater than 25, so that makes that number sentence true. 62 minus 22, so that's 45, and 45 is less than 49, so that makes that number sentence true. And then 9 eighths and 9 eighths, well guys, seriously, I don't even know why they put that there, and that has to be equals. Okay, so we look at 2C, 3ABC and 4ABC. We want you to do those, please. 2C, all of 3 and all of 4 in D, because for obvious reasons, because we've got the introduction of percentages, decimals and fractions, and it's kind of revising those chapters as well, guys. And we remember that if you're doing percent, that's per 100. For example, 17%, that's 17 out of 100, 17 over 100, 17 divided by 100. Well, if we get 17% of 100, we have to get 1/100th before we can get the 17 hundredths. Then in B, 75% is 75 over 100, and that is 75 hundredths. And what we're really trying to do here, guys, is we're trying to express it in its simplest form. Remember, we always want to express fractions in its simplest form in order to make a sum more doable. And we know, I'm not going to break it down for you there. Remember the golden rule: what goes into the top number must go into the bottom number. What I do to the top, I do to the bottom. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. What I do to the numerator, I do to the denominator. What I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator. And we have been saying that over and over and over again in class. So if you try all of 3 ABC and 4 ABC, and remember guys, to get a fraction of another number, we must always divide by the denominator and then multiply by the numerator. That is the golden rule. Okay, you must always get 1/20th before you can get 4/20ths, 5/20ths, 13/20ths. You must get 1/4 of the number before you can get 2/4, 3/4, and so forth with any of the others. Then fill in the correct mathematical sign to make each of these number sentences true: plus, minus, multiplication, or division. And this is E. So we look at one ABC, and 5 sixes are 30, and that is, so it's 6 multiplied by 5 to make the first one true. Let us look at 1B. 78 minus 29 in order to make that true, because 78 minus 29 is equal to 49. Therefore, that is an equation, meaning what is on the left-hand side of the equals is exactly the same as what's on the right-hand side of the equals. So that number sentence is true. 30 multiplied by 2, which is 26. 26 plus 6 is equal to 32. Therefore, we have our equation established, because what's on the left-hand side of the equals is exactly what equal to what's on the right-hand side of the equals. It's like a balance, and therefore that number sentence is true. So we want you to try 2ABC and 3ABC. And thank you for your cooperation, guys. Again, we really need you to focus in on your maths and do as you're asked to do in order to keep up with the workload and to prepare you for next year. And just one more thing, it's my little man's birthday today, and it's also Hitler's birthday today. And I'm smiling away thinking, yes, I know what you're thinking. Yes, there are a few common traits there. That's the little fellow with the glasses, so you'll know what I'm talking about there. So anyway, happy birthday. So guys, we'll see you again tomorrow. We'll have all the answers uploaded for you to correct, and have a good day. Okay, guys? And if you might tune into the RTE Hub or tape it and re-listen to it, and especially the parts where it caters for 5th and 6th class, moreover. Gohaira and Ghaelga, and the science in particular. Okay, lads, talk to you tomorrow. Bye.